À propos de ma famille et de moi-même.
About my family and myself. About my family and myself. About my family and myself.
Tout d'abord, laissez-moi me présenter.
First of all, let me introduce myself. First of all, let me introduce myself. First of all, let me introduce myself.
Je m'appelle John Walker.
My name is John Walker. My name is John Walker. My name is John Walker.
J'ai 27 ans.
I am 27 years old. I am 27 years old. I am 27 years old.
Ma famille vit à New York dans l'un des quartiers résidentiels.
My family lives in New York in one of the residential areas. My family lives in New York in one of the residential areas. My family lives in New York in one of the residential areas.
Mes parents ont 3 autres enfants à côté de moi.
My parents have 3 more kids besides me. My parents have 3 more kids besides me. My parents have 3 more kids besides me.
Ainsi, j'ai un frère aîné Alex, une sœur aînée Wendy et un frère cadet Billy.
Thus I have got an elder brother Alex, an elder sister Wendy and a younger brother Billy. Thus I have got an elder brother Alex, an elder sister Wendy and a younger brother Billy. Thus I have got an elder brother Alex, an elder sister Wendy and a younger brother Billy.
Mon frère Alex est également étudiant. Il a 22 ans.
My brother Alex is a student, too. He is 22. My brother Alex is a student, too. He is 22. My brother Alex is a student, too. He is 22.
Ma sœur a 3 ans mon aînée.
My sister is 3 years my senior. My sister is 3 years my senior. My sister is 3 years my senior.
Elle a donc déjà 30 ans.
So she is 30 already. So she is 30 already. So she is 30 already.
Elle est designer de profession.
She is a designer by profession. She is a designer by profession. She is a designer by profession.
Elle est mariée.
She is married. She is married. She is married.
Son mari est codeur informatique.
Her husband is an IT coder. Her husband is an IT coder. Her husband is an IT coder.
Ils sont 4 dans la famille.
They are 4 in the family. They are four in the family. They are four in the family.
Elle a 2 enfants, une fille et un fils.
She has 2 children, a daughter, and a son. She has 2 children, a daughter, and a son. She has 2 children, a daughter, and a son.
Ils sont jumeaux.
They are twins. They are twins. They are twins.
Ce sont de charmants petits enfants aux cheveux dorés et aux yeux bleus foncés.
They are lovely little kids with golden hair and dark blue eyes. They are lovely little kids with golden hair and dark blue eyes. They are lovely little kids with golden hair and dark blue eyes.
Mon frère cadet Billy est écolier.
My younger brother Billy is a schoolboy. My younger brother Billy is a schoolboy. My younger brother Billy is a schoolboy.
Il a 17 ans.
He is 17 years. He is 17 years. He is 17 years.
Dans un an, il terminera son école et il devra décider quoi faire.
In a year he shall finish his school and he has to decide what to do. In a year he shall finish his school and he has to decide what to do. In a year he shall finish his school and he has to decide what to do.
Soit pour postuler à un emploi, soit pour étudier.
Either to apply for a job or for a study. Either to apply for a job or for a study. Either to apply for a job or for a study.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.